Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 6 in IqDungeon on Android. To do this, you will need to press every single closed eye golem in the order how they are placed here. So I'm gonna do it like this. First you need to move the rock, then you need to swipe the bushes, then you need to grab down this bush, and you can see this one is open, closed and closed. So, and we're in. That's how we do it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.